How to fix Google Chrome slow downloading. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix Google Chrome slow downloading. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you have to open up Google Chrome in your device. And once you have opened it up, navigate to top right corner and click on the three dot. From this menu box, you have to click on Settings. So once you're under Settings, head towards the Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, click on Security. Here, scroll down a bit, and under Advanced option, there you have an option to select your DNS provider. So in order to increase your download speed in Google Chrome, you can select other or faster DNS such as Cloudflare or Google DNS. So click on this drop down. From this drop down, you can either choose the Cloudflare or the Google DNS. So these are some of the faster DNS that you can choose. So according to your preferences or according to the one that is best for you, you can choose one from here. After that, you can close the Google Chrome. Now what you can do is again open up your Google Chrome. And now in the search bar, type in Chrome, semicolon, and then you have to type in / and then type in flags. Press enter in your keyboard. Now here, head towards the search flag and search for parallel downloading. Here it is parallel downloading. Here it says enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed for the Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome, Android or lactose. So here click on this drop down, and from here you can choose on enabled options. So once you have enabled this, you can close this, and now the other option is to again open up Google Chrome and click on the three dot. Now click on Settings. Now head towards the system from your left hand side, and under system, make sure the first option here, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Here make sure the toggle is turned off. Now once you have made this here, again head towards your extension and now click on manage extension. Here you can remove all of this extension that you don't require, because the additional or the more extension will require more data in the background, which will also affect the downloading speed of your Google Chrome. So from here you can remove some of the extensions that you don't require. Now once you have done that, you can restart your device, and then that's going to help you fix your problem, and now your Google Chrome downloading speed is increased. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.